Alright guys, in this video we're going to show how we can go from this photo to this photo using the masking tool. Walk with me. Alright, so Lightroom has a tool and it's very robust, but in this one we're just going to go over a couple of things in this tutorial about masking, and it's right here in the masking tool button. And masking, pretty much it lets you sort of paint over adjustments within the image without applying it to the entire image, but it has also a lot of predetermined things, so you don't actually have to use the brush tool to paint it. You can select objects, you can select subjects, you can select people, the sky, and the background. So in this video, I'm gonna start off by playing with the sky. So you press the button, let it do its computation, and it shows the overlay in red of what's selected. And then this one is the sky, so you can go up and down with it on the highlights or the exposure, and just that part of the image will get adjusted. So in this one, I'm gonna up the saturation to bring out more blues, more colors, and I'm gonna up the dehaze in it to bring out more colors as well. I also don't like how dark it is, so I'm gonna push up the blacks a little bit so we get less darkness in this photo. The photo itself is a little bit underexposed, so I'm gonna go out of the masking tool and overall up the exposure. I might up the blacks a little bit just to make it a brighter image. So back inside the masking tool, we're gonna go into select subject, and I'm just gonna make myself a little bit brighter in this image, and we're almost there. I add another mask to it, and I'm gonna select people on this one, which is myself. And within the people mask, you can select different parts of the people. Lightroom only sees certain things. If it was a portrait, it'd be lips, eyes, teeth, the whites of your eyes. It can see a lot of different things. I'm gonna select facial skin, hair. I'm gonna leave the clothes alone because I like the way the clothes are looking. I'm gonna create a mask, and it's gonna create all three of those different masks for me. I'm gonna start with the hair, make it a little bit darker, blacker. Go to the facial skin, but I think that's body skin, which is also getting the arm down here. And with that, I'm gonna up the saturation so we get a little bit more color in that. And then go to the facial skin, up the saturation on that as well. As you can see, it's giving you a little bit more color. And I did the hair already, did the body skin. And like I said, the masking tool has a lot of different things you can do with it. I'll show you one thing in particular. The brush tool, where you can paint on a section or paint on a person. Come back over here and change just that part of the section of the photo. So it's a lot of different applications you can use with this. To paint on your sections and different things like that. I'm gonna go ahead and delete that one, delete that brush. There's also a whole bunch of radial gradients that you could use. Invert it to make it just on the outside. Change the contrast of it. Bring the highlights down. Make the person that's looking at your image focus more on the center. Make the center bright, and the outside have all these different effects that you want on it. You know what I mean? Have the person's focus be on the middle. So that's just a quick little overview of how to use the mask tool. Just looking at the before and after. Go from something bland and dull to something a little bit more edited, a little bit more punchier of an image. I think I want to add some clarity to it too. Let's see, go back to my image, go back to that radial, and I want to add some clarity just to see what it looks like. I'm not selected on anything. So you have that image, add a little bit more punch to it. And yeah, that's the masking tool. Just a quick little overview of it. You have a whole bunch of other things you can do with it. It's a very smart tool, very good tool to use when you're doing your editing in Lightroom if you don't want to jump into Photoshop for a lot of different things. You can do it right in Lightroom. Appreciate y'all tuning in with me. If this helped you in any way, please like, share, subscribe to the channel, and we'll catch you on the next one. Y'all take it easy, and I'm gone.